Assalamualaikum everyone. I have Galaxy Note 9. I'll show you some with dot, some without dot, some having dual SIM card facility in excellent condition. I'll start from here one by one. This one blue color, excellent condition, no scratches. Black color, again blue color, and I have purple color, gold color. Okay, and at the end blue color also, but I will start from here. Let me show you dots, let me show you dual SIM, and will show you specification also. Okay, so we will start from here. This one single SIM having dot only here. Okay, this is the only dot, that's it. Okay, single SIM facility, good condition. Okay, 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. Okay, as you can see, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. Okay, excellent condition, no crack, no damage, good condition, is new. Okay, same is new. Okay, this one with blue. Okay, only small dot, and this one also having small dot. I'll show you. You cannot easily notice until the screen is fully white. Okay, so here we have that's the only dot says. Okay, this the only dot. Okay, you cannot easily notice. And this one also 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. Six GB RAM, 128 GB storage, excellent condition, no fault, only small dot, no other fault. Okay, black color and excellent condition. I'll show you I will show you features also. Okay, battery capacity 4000 mAh. Okay, and software Android 10. Okay, excellent condition. Okay, this one, and the third one I'll show you. This one also 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM. Okay, 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM. And this one also having software version 9. Okay, software version 9. And where is the dot? Wait. Okay, where is the dot? It's here. It's here. Yeah, this is the only dot. Okay, and this one also blue color with pen and clean condition, no scratches. Okay, this one also having dot here, as you can see. Okay, and same specification, same condition, no scratches. Okay, this one also the same, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. And this one also having dot. Where is it? I cannot see. Yeah, it's here. This is the only dot. Okay, and this one black color, good condition. Okay, no scratches, black color, and same specification, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. Okay, 128 GB storage. Now these are with the dot and single SIM. All this 1 2 3 4 5, this single SIM. Now I'll show you dual SIM. Okay, so here's we have dual SIM. This one dual SIM, and the other one also very good color. This one also dual SIM. Okay, and this one is clean without any dot. Okay, and same specification. These two dual SIM, this one single SIM, but no dot, no spot. Okay, so I will mention the price separately and description for this one, you can see. Okay, and I will mention the price for dual sim also. Okay, this one dual sim, as you can see it's having two IMEI numbers. Okay, this having dot, dual sim, 128 GB storage, same specification, only having small dot, and dual sim, good condition, no other port, only small dot. Okay, this one also dual sim. Oh, okay, two IMEI numbers, so it's mean it can support two SIM card, and having dot only here, as you can see, is the only dot. Okay, and it's a purple color, unisex can use, ladies can use, and men can use. Okay, this one having dot here and the other one dot there, and this one clean without any dot and spot. So this one I will mention the price separately for this one, you can see, and description down, and you can see my number also there. Okay, this one blue color and excellent condition. Okay, single sim, 128 GB storage, blue color and clean without any dot and spot. Okay, so send me WhatsApp and send me your location and contact number. If you want delivery, I can deliver all over UAE. Okay, just send me your address and contact number, I will deliver. And this coming without charger and without accessories. If you want with accessories, 20 dirham fast charger. Okay, that's it. All in good condition, only having small dot. Okay, A plus condition, A plus dot. Okay, A plus mean small dot, very thin dot, and this one don't have any dot. Okay, so that's it guys, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video if you can, and thanks so much for love and support. Thank you.